Hello kids, let's learn to do this drawing and color fill. First color name light green color, sky blue color, orange color, green color, red color, pink color, yellow color and brown color and last color blue color. Shapes drawing kids. Green color, left arrow, smile emoji, kids, smile emoji, cloud, kids, cloud, cube, rounded square, moon, left arrow light green color, smile emoji, yellow color, kids, yellow color, smile emoji, yellow color, black color, cloud, black color, cloud, sky blue color, cube, light pink color, rounded square, brown color, moon, left arrow, smile emoji, cloud, cube, rounded square, moon. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.